Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying you're signed into the correct Google account because passkeys bind to that identity. Next, make sure your phone or laptop has a secure screen lock and latest OS. Passkeys use device keys that depend on system-level cryptography. Once done, go to Accounts. Google. Navigate to Security and select the Passwordless or Passkeys option. This starts registration. Follow on-screen prompts to create a new passkey, so you can stop using passwords for Gmail. Now you create the passkey. Choose Add Passkey and pick your current device or an external security key. The system will ask you to authenticate with your fingerprint, face, or device PIN. This proves you control the hardware and lets the device generate the cryptographic key pair. Make sure to give the device a recognizable name so you can manage multiple keys later. After you confirm and allow Google to store the public key reference, the passkey is registered and ready for passwordless sign-in to Gmail. To finish, sign out of Gmail and sign back in to test the new passkey. When prompted, choose the passkey option and authenticate with your device biometrics or external key. This replaces typing a password. If you have multiple devices, add a secondary passkey or generate recovery codes so you aren't locked out. If the sign-in fails, check that your device lock is enabled and the browser supports WebAuthn. Also make sure the passkey is still listed in your Google account security settings. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.